Hi everyone, Mr. Mars here on the West Coast. Very quick video for you today. You may remember this. So this is a knife sharpening jig I made, and if you want to see the build, I'll just stick that up in whichever side it is, up here in the card, and you can have a look at that. But you can see that it looks different, and so what I've done is made a prototype of a modification I want to make to it. So I'll get rid of that and probably bring you in a little bit closer. Yeah, so I think you can see that alright. I'm on the mobile this time. My camera's flat, the battery's flat on it. Don't laugh at it, it is pretty rough. I've made it from stuff I had laying around the workshop. You probably gather by now I like to repurpose stuff, so even when I do the final build I should probably make it out of stuff I've got laying around. I thought I would try and replicate those where you can just pull it out and turn it around. So this is just something I needed to make work, and I wanted to see how far I could get with it. And I do believe, even this rough looking thing like it is, I do believe I can even get a really sharp knife out of it. But you can see here that what you do is you pull that and push it in like that. Obviously you sharpen here, turn it around again and sharpen again. So I know it works. I can make it a lot better than this. I had to make this block to keep this outside one nice and stable, but I think this material isn't strong enough. This one here, this white one. This here is nice solid bar, but I need to make it out of something a lot more durable. And this here, stabilising the back side of it, is a good idea, but I don't think I need that either. I think I can have two blocks like this, and ideally these would need to be made out of steel. But I really don't know how I can do that. I've got no mill, I've got no lathe, I've got no nothing here, so all I've got is a grinder and some hand tools. So okay, I'm going to start drawing this up in CAD. So while I'm at it, I thought I might as well clean it all up, see if I can make this a gauge on here so I can actually find out what angle it's at. It's set at about 20 degrees at the moment. And then give it a coat of paint and see if I can finish up nicely. But I'm quite happy with a homemade knife sharpener. But I'll see if I can make it even better. Just give you another look with no blade in it. There you go. So you can see here that it's got these cutouts, and so they're exactly 180 degrees on the swivel. So no matter what I do, it's always going to go back in that same plane. There we go, just a very quick video for you today. A modification to the sharpening jig. Let me know if you think it's got merit. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see the conclusion of this knife sharpening jig modification rebuild. See you again very soon.